Melanie กดแท็กก่อนให้เราเลย Melanie mua cho ly là Melanie Daddy
Linda.
You understand that a lot of people would have wanted you in this conversation, in a sense, to see how he would react if you wanted to hold him accountable for his life. Did you never consider that?
Or it just means that if somebody wants me to ask the questions that they want me to ask,
Right.
well, there's that little problem we run into in life. They're not me. So,
And you had no, but just tell me this, did you have no interest? You didn't have any interest in understanding how he justified, felt